Alright guys, welcome back to another vlog. We're out here in Amarillo today. It is already pretty freaking hot. It's like what, not even 10 o'clock in the morning. It's probably like 85 degrees. It's supposed to get to, I think, 101 today. But there isn't all that many cars here today. It's not too bad. I think there's about, what, 9 in each group, something like that, 3 groups. So should be pretty quick. The track should be able to get 2 cars on here at once, so it should be decent. Since the last event, I've got new tires, and then I did that clutch line and swirl valve delete. So for the guys that follow the channel, I'll be talking about that a little bit later. I still have yet to launch the car since I put that clutch line in, so we're gonna see today how well that goes. I'm gonna have a lot of grip for the launch though, because I let a lot of air out of the tires, so I'll probably still bog a little bit, but we'll see. The first one group's about to start. Should be pretty decent runs here in the morning. I'm hoping I can get my best run here in the morning while it's still somewhat cool, because it's gonna get hot. But the track's hot now and I gotta stand up, so I'll talk to you guys in a bit. loud. First morning run's pretty good. The hardest part for me right now is finding a good line to get around the pole. It's, you guys are watching, but you know, to get around that, I'm trying to go wide at first and then cut it in so I can get to that slalom. And that's what's giving me the most problem right now. I think the best time we have is a 34 point something, and I'm sitting at a 35.61, I think, something like that. So I'm not too far behind the top guys. I'm about to do my final 4 runs for the day. Hopefully I can make some of the time up, but we're out here having a lot of fun. It was supposed to be like 101 degrees today, but there's some storms rolling in apparently, so it's nice and windy, cooling things down, and it's keeping the car cool as well, so I'm very happy about that. I've launched the car twice now with the new clutch line. Definitely a huge improvement, and normally when I do like my drag racing, I have like 40 psi in the tires. Right now there's like 35, so I have more grip. So launching the car with more grip and it's doing well, that's A++ for when we do some drag racing. So yeah, definitely that line is working, and yeah, here we go, round 2.
You ever heard of that? And so who's sponsoring this?
It's through the SCC, so I'm not 100% sure.
Okay.
It's like a sports car club, basically.
And how often do they have these?
Twice a month.
Twice a month? Really? In this parking lot?
Yep.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Alright guys, back at it again for another win. Also forgot to turn my GoPro on this entire day, so me sideways, sorry about that. But got another first. We're in there like swimwear. 4th overall out of 34 drivers. The cars that beat me, GTR, S2000, and the Subaru. I don't know if it's an STI or WRX, but that thing's sick. But overall, great day. And temperature right now is 76. It was supposed to be 101 today. So, I mean, the clouds rolled in, the wind rolled in. It feels really good. So, it was overall fantastic day. The next 5 events out here are going to be at night, and they start like at 11 o'clock at night. So, it's going to be really nice to be able to come out here and not be, you know, super hot during the day. Really excited. The next event I'm actually going to miss because we're going to Denver for Streetcar Takeover if everything works out as planned. But all the rest for the season I should be there. I'm able to miss up to 3 in a season because they do points based off each event, and they take the top however many out of whatever. So I think it's the top 9 out of 12 is what he was saying for the season. So this will be the second one that I'll miss, but we're still in the game for the end of the season. So. All right, I just want to add a few things here at the end. First and foremost, the clutch line with the swirl valve delete for the guys that follow the page, like I said earlier, it definitely made a a pretty good difference on the track. Clutch is definitely smoother, I can shift quicker, I can launch better. So, I mean, 10 out of 10, would recommend. If you have a manual, Mark 7 of any sort, get that ECS clutch line. You can watch one of my last videos where I install it, and I have the link in the video there and everything. And do that swirl valve delete. You'll love the car that much more. Also a shout out to Racing Line for the intake, catch can, intercooler, all their parts that I have. The car wouldn't be the way it is without it. And United Motorsports with their tune, everything's perfect. I can't complain at all. So shout out to all of them. Also shout out to everybody who helps and runs the Autocross in Amarillo. Autocross is literally like my favorite thing to do in life. So shout out to all you guys for making that happen. I can't wait to see you guys again here in a few weeks. And yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the flip-flop.